Okay. Now it's fucking acting up again. Romping again. Not sure what's causing it. Unless there's still a little bit of air in the system, but I'm not sure. The fuel pressure is beautiful at 65 psi. Brand new Ford ICP sensor in it. IPR is brand new. And one of these seconds it'll just snap back to and it'll idle like glass again. I'm not sure what the hell's going on. I don't know if I got a bad wire or something. It's just, it sounds like one injector isn't firing all the time.